Alright, good morning. I'm up here solely for the purpose of recording the exhaust sounds from the Honda CT125 stock exhaust. And then tomorrow I'm getting the Moriwaki Monster, I believe that's the name of it, Monster exhaust in black. Heat resistant stainless steel black with the stainless steel tailpipe, so we can see how far that sticks out. And we'll go ahead and start this thing up and do a little comparison tomorrow. Here's it idle. One of the viewers of Eddie's channel compared mine to his. He has a CT125 with the Diablo exhaust. It basically said, quote unquote, mine sounds like a sewing machine. So ladies and gentlemen, wait till tomorrow when I get the Moriwaki installed. I'm up here just at the base of Doi Suthep in Chiang Mai. Okay, can't wait till tomorrow. Over and out.